G'day guys, welcome to Sumo's Projects and welcome to this video. A little while back, the good folks at Arbortech sent me this mini carver, and I did a little review. That's in my previous video if you want to go and have a look at that. It's a great little device to have, and in this video I'll put it through its paces, making just a quite simple pen holder. This was nothing more than firewood, and great fun to work with making this. It's one of those tools that allows you to be just a little bit creative and also hack into it. You know, it's a bit of fun to use. Can be a little bit messy, but the dust extraction is a good advantage on this particular model. So this is the first time viewing. If you want to subscribe, go ahead. That'd be good. Anyway, let's look into this build. As I mentioned, this was a bit of grey box firewood. Took it over the bandsaw and I sliced a little section off it. Now the next stage was to cut that in half, and this would be the basis of making this holder. I then put the mini carver with its mini attachments through the process of slicing and dicing and removing stock out of this bit of hardwood, and as you can see, it goes through as soft as butter. It's magnificent. So a great little device to consider if you want to take up power carving, and I'll be doing a lot more projects with it. Just take a little bit of time out here to mention about the importance of hitting the notification bell, because a lot of people tell me that they don't know videos are out, and as for makers, you know, it's a lot of effort to make videos. So, you know, if you're not growing your channel because people don't know your videos are out, it becomes a little bit, you know, disheartening, and a lot more makers will stop making them. But we can only do what we can do, so just wanted to highlight that. So you can see there's plenty of attachments here. The sanding, and I sanded it up for a bit and they come up good. So I wanted to get this project finished, and in one of my last projects I discovered this fast-acting glue. This is the glue is the normal super glue, but this activator, the kicker, is just, it's unbelievable. As you can see, it's instantly bonded together, and I really think that this is just one of the most effective ways to glue things up. Even because this has got a lot of cracks in it, I'm just filling a little bit of the crack up and bonding it, rather than have to wait for any epoxy to dry. So this is only scrap wood anyway. Next step is to get the rest of the log I used and just slice off a little section that's going to act as a base and block up the gap for the bottom of this project. And as you can see, I'm using real glue here. This is a quick set, so not bad stuff at all. Yeah, and then going ahead and using the mini carver, the mini grinder, to attach this. Well, actually here I'm just taking off some of the sharp edges, corners of some of the cuts, and that takes about 2 seconds of work. And then got the sanding pad back on and whack, away we go. All I did after that was just apply about 3 coats of Danish oil, and the job was a good one. So I was very impressed to use this, and I'm just I've got so many ideas where I can use this beautiful little carving attachment. As you see, it all worked out beautiful. So thank you for watching, and hopefully see you on the next one. Hooroo.